Mountain here, and I welcome you to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. The core essence of this video is actually to educate you on how you can actually do tasks on MIU. Where are you? MIU.fm. So here it is. So we opened MIU.fm. Come on. And boom, we are in. So what you need to do is you simply click any of those profiles you're saying so as to join. The people are hosting parties, or you can simply open your own party. So what you do is you click the My Profile tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner. When you click there, the next thing that you need to do is you click My Room. You get to be in the room. You understand what I'm saying? My room. Okay, beautiful, and we are here. So now what is it that you have to do next? Okay, so you have to click reward, the one which is in the top right corner. There's a bean icon there. You click it. I just want to walk you through this so that you get to know where you have to check the tasks and how you have to accomplish it. So they're saying on mic duration, if you exceed the fixed duration of playing the microphone, you can receive flower rewards. So people who got invited to this platform were able to join some parties, and they spent all those hours indicated here, but they didn't receive the rewards. That actually prompted me to do this video so as to acquaint people with the knowledge on how to do some tasks here. So for the first one, they're saying PK 3 games, 50 score, 200 flowers. So when you do this one here, so how do you do it for you to walk away with all those rewards which are there? They're saying 50 flowers, okay? And you have to be on the mic for 1 hour. So what you do is you initiate a PK. I will show you how to initiate a PK from your room. So you initiate a PK, and then you ask your friend to send you 50 beans. So you have to make sure that you reach a consensus with your friends. You say, let's recharge, and after recharging, then you happen to log on to MIU, and then you join one room or a party, and then you begin to shower each other with the beans. Make sure that you have recharged. I've done a video on how you have to recharge from here. So the person will have to initiate the PK 3 times. So the first time, when that person initiates a PK, you have to gift that person with 50 beans. Or if it's you has initiated a PK, that person, the person whom you are logged on to MIU with, will need to shower you with 50 beans. But then you initiate another one, which will be the second PK, and your friend will need to gift you with 50 beans. If it's your friend, you need to gift them with 50 beans. And then after they win, be it that they win or they lose, this one will be through after 1 hour. Then the third one, again, when you do it, then you stay on the mic. Okay, so it's not like after you are done with the exchanges, you have to leave the party room. You wait until 1 hour goes by. When 1 hour goes by, you will receive 50 flowers. Okay, then after that, you can now start the second one. So you need to initiate PKs 9 times. The first one, you are gifted with 50 beans. You start another one, you are gifted with 50 beans. And then when you do the 9th PK, you need to now stay put within the room until 3 hours go by. That's when you'll be given 100 flowers. You move on to the other one there, which is in the top right. You need to stay on the mic for 2 hours, but within that 2 hours you need to be gifted 50 beans 6 times anytime you happen to initiate a PK. And then you check out the other ones. Let's swipe up. You stay on the mic for 4 hours, then you initiate 12 PKs. That's when you're given 100 flowers. Just like that. Even that last one, this one doesn't have any requirements. So that's how we do the tasks on MIU. You have to have a person to gift you, and then you have to stay on the mic for the given or the specified period of times. Okay, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Now let's go back to the room so that I show you how you have to initiate the PK. Okay, beautiful. We are back in the room. So now check this one out. When you check in the bottom right corner, there is the gift icon, the gift box icon. The one on top is open video, if you want to open the video so that people are able to see you. Then there's follow, then there's PK there. Okay, so if you want to initiate the PK, you have to hit PK. Let me try to do this, but if I initiate this, then some person will actually join in. PK here, and then we can say ranking filled within 24 hours. So this is just showing me history. If I had failed some within the 24 hours, today's ranking record, 0 win and 0 lose. I haven't initiated any PK today, so I can actually click there, and then I will be matched with another person who's online. So that's how we do it, baby. Go out there and invite some person over so that you can actually do the PKs, and that person should gift you. Thank you so much for watching. This is your friend and your brother Doc Mountain. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and share the video with as many people as you can. Stay blessed.